Wow, look what I'm standing next to. Not Aussie muscle, but an Aussie legend. It's a McLeod Horn special. It is unbelievable. It's an XB 1976 GT Coupe. And by the way, guys, this motor vehicle is valued at over $265,000. Check out our previous winners. You could be our next Ford GT winner. It is sick. Have a go at the exterior. It is beautiful. Original wheels, and look at the interior. It's chamois in its colour, GT dash, GT wheel, 4 on the floor, and what pushes it along the road is a 351 V8, as I said, matching chassis numbers. Get a package, be part of what's going on. This 1976 XB McLeod Horn Special. Paddy here from Classics. We proudly support veterans.